A few months ago, I reviewed this trading robot and it had some great live results on a reputed broker that I use myself, so I decided to put it live, and I've been impressed by what I've seen so far. So this video is about what I'm going to do next with it. So yes, it was March when I reviewed this and I decided to put it live with a small account. If you missed that video, you should see a link to it pop up now. Although it can trade 18 currency pairs, I had picked at the time what were the best currency pairs to trade from analyzing the author's MyFX book results. As a result, my portfolio was trading just 5 pairs. And as we're seeing good results in my live account, I wanted to tweak and scale into this trading robot. And in this video, I want to explain what I'm doing next and how you can track the results. And here's the MyFX book chart. You can see this live also on the MyFX book link. Although I had a drop at the beginning, it was actually only 2.44%. It's recovered nicely and drawdowns have been low since and steadily climbing. We've had 59 trades with a very healthy 2.42 profit factor. We've also won 80% of long trades and 70% of short trades. Now, if you note, the pip expectancy is low, so you need to ensure spreads are low. So for best results, please do ensure that you use the recommended low spread broker and VPS provider. Links are in the video description box below. Okay, so what I'm showing here are the results from March 2021 to present date, June 2021, across the whole range of currency pairs which you can get from the actual MyFX book Forex Cyborg account versus that of mine, the Mr. Allen Forex one. I've color matched the Forex pairs in both tables so I could compare them. There are differences in the results as I'm using a different broker to the author's original. You can see my results for the same Forex pair are slightly better due to my broker selection. However, you can also note that in the Mr. Allen Forex portfolio, it's the Euro Kiwi which is winning the lion's share of the trading and profits. Euro Swiss, Pound Aussie and Dollar Yen are not really doing much, so I'm going to remove them from the portfolio. Instead, I'm going to replace them with Aussie Kiwi, Euro Aussie and Pound CAD, which have been doing okay on the original account. There's no guarantee that they'll be equally profitable on my broker, but the performance on my broker compared to the actual original Forex Cyborg account has been better from past trading. So in summary, the portfolio restructure on the Mr. Allen Forex looks like this. Remove Euro Swiss, Pound Aussie and Dollar Swiss and replace with Aussie Kiwi, Euro Aussie and Pound CAD. Our final portfolio still consists of 5 pairs: Aussie Kiwi, Euro Aussie, Pound CAD, Euro Kiwi and Dollar CAD. Also, I wanted to scale this up as the results were good. The drawdown was just 2%, so I wanted to create also a new portfolio that is 10 times larger. This will trade the 5 revised Forex pairs that I discussed in the previous slide, but at 10 times larger lot sizes for a similar sized account. If the stats hold up in a few months rather than a 5% return, I'm hoping for a greater than 50% return due to the size and also more profitable pairs. Anyway, here are the MyFX book links if you want to follow them. I'll also put them into the video description box below so it's easy access. If you're interested in this trading robot for yourself, then you can get to the site through my link. I've linked this as there are quite a few sites selling a fake version of this trading robot. My link will always take you to the original seller of the system. In addition, for any purchases, I'll make a small commission at no additional cost to the buyer. So if you're happy to support my work and want to buy this trading robot, I really appreciate it if you'll buy it through my link. So let's see how the experiment goes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you at our next video.